Greetings my YouTube watchers, I'm Maciej, Mac for short, and this is CAMARO5th.GEN YouTube channel. In this video I will show you 3 interior lighting modes that I've done in my car. So let's start this video. First, neon ambilight. I used 12-volt turquoise color neon because it was flexible and very easy to install. Second, floor light. I used 12-volt RGB LED stripes because it had a double-sided tape, was very easy to install, and through the mixing colors I could get to the turquoise color. You could plug into 12-volt socket or you can solder it to the ambilight. Neon trunk light. I used turquoise color neon because it also had a double-sided tape, was easy to install, is flexible, and is very bright. Here was 12-volt W5W bulb, but it wasn't strong enough, so I had to replace it with this flexible turquoise color neon. Here's the plug I use. And this neon is very powerful and bright, so it is very good to light up my trunk. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. So if you do, please leave a comment or like. And remember one thing, your subscriptions will be highly appreciated. And if you like our products, you can visit our website and store www.gromotto.com.